Following up on my live stream from this morning, we're going to analyze the J-Tool. So as you saw during the live, I identified the J-Tool, and the reason why is, well, actually it was one of the tokens that was pumping the most throughout the day. So it's quite simple. All that we need to do is, using the token scanner, sort it by the highest gains. I've tagged red because that will be my next candidate for charting. And so the J-Tool was here. The J-Tool was around 33% during this morning's live stream, and it's currently nearing midday. It has already dropped 78%, and we're going to chart it. So you see how I proceeded. It's that I do like with red. From here, you see red, it's doing a pump. I tag it, and tomorrow I come back to check on it. So this one pumped, and in fact here, let's look at the daily chart. We have one wick, a second wick. It's been pumping for 48 hours. And now it's reached its top, and it's starting to come back down. So in this morning's live stream, that's exactly what I was explaining to you. I said we let it pump. We establish a first level here. We establish a second level. We establish a third level. The J-Tool is overbought here. Why? Well, you can do it with red. We take our boxes. Obviously, I don't draw boxes, but I feel that over time, many people who are starting out will find this helpful. So in my small strategy for beginners, you draw a small box like this, and you draw a box down here. You catch the wicks, in fact. And then when it comes here within the range, even on the 15-minute time frame, which is the best time frame for this strategy, and as soon as it breaks out to one side or the other, that's the time to enter a position on the trend. And obviously you'll see, what tells us that it's a real pump, a real dump, it's a long wick candle. So you can see here that it's a real pump. And from there, all that you need to do is take the trend and place your stop just above the wick. And you hold the trend. Just when? What tells you that it's at the top? Well, obviously it's when you see more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks at the top. So that identifies the top for you. And that gives you 30% if you're trading spot. But if you're trading perpetual...
The green candle confirms the pump for us. Okay, so you can already set up your box, which is here. And this here is a support level. You see, there was another box here. It just broke through it. Boom. And here it becomes support. But there are no indicators. It's not mandatory to put them. But on the way down, you can make the trade like this. And for now, we have to wait until we get candles like this. But your boxes are already placed for tomorrow, and you just let it get tagged like this, here. And you do this continuously with all the tokens that are pumping. Here's the IP. We'll do the same for it. We'll have a look, and we'll analyze it. So there are ascending structures. Why? The higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So we'll look at it too. We'll tag it. If you join the live stream tomorrow morning at 9:30, we'll review the trades I took throughout the day. We'll review red, we'll review J-Tool, and we'll make money. It will be the same as what we did with rare. And the reason I identified these zones, obviously, is because they are zones where it's possible for the price to come back to. So they are just tagged. It doesn't mean they will reach them, but we are already prepared in case they decide to go back up. So here's J-Tool. Obviously, it will do something like this. It won't just drop straight down. These are 15-minute candles, but the momentum will eventually run out. Because if Bitcoin is dumping, J-Tool is